Okay, good morning. Back into this bedroom project. Mostly electrical stuff today. I need to put all those cables before we start building the wall. So as I said in the last video, that's where we're gonna fit the aircon there, just over the bed roughly, and blowing towards our feet. You don't want the aircon to blow straight on us. Not a good thing, I believe. Anyway, so as you saw in the last video, so that's how far we went the other day. And I need to put this cable onto the other side up there and make some provision for that to go through the wall as well up to a certain height. And that's where the plug will go. Aircon plug, which is the aircon plug, which is this one here. Okay. Okay, last night I managed to push that cable in here. This is the one for the aircon. And I got my circuit breaker. So this is one of the last things to do. I don't want to put power in there now on this cable. So it's all already ready to go. Bella playing around. Okay, then from there, this is the one. It's gonna have to go onto the other wall up there, and then install this plug. It's a special Aircon plug. You need to have that. Okay, to hold those orange duct along the ceiling, I'm using this. That's pretty good. This is the road or trail just facing our veranda. I think I never show you around here. Oh my God, the doggy after me. They don't let me walk. So right at the end of this road, on the right side, you got Robert's house. And our house, just up there. Yeah, we never had this view. Okay, let's go back to this project. Now, the main thing is to get all the cable on position for the aircon, and also have an extension running all the way there if we put an aircon to the small room, which is next door here. Okay, just a quick recap, because I think a lot of people have missed the plot, looking at some of the comments and an email I received. This bedroom project is to enclose the whole bedroom, both of them, remove the American, put HDFlex on the wall, there behind me, and put a ceiling, suspended ceiling, so we can have maybe an aircon. So that's what we try to achieve. That's the main reason for the project. So now everybody knows. Okay, I need to get this this cable somewhere here, coming down from the top here. That's where the plug's gonna be. And then here in continuation we got a junction box, so my cable can run all the way along here to the next room. Okay, right, another issue, not really an issue, but before continue with this wall, because the way my wall is built, it's not a concrete wall, so I can't really put the Aircon anywhere I want. I need to have some support behind it, maybe add some more metal stud or something so I can bolt the Aircon on. And I don't have anything there organized for that yet because I haven't got the Aircon. So I've been looking through a few videos again, and I need to get the Aircon before I finish the wall. So tomorrow we're gonna go in town and buy an Aircon. I don't have the money to use a credit card. And so for now, there's still a lot of things to do. We can still organize the other side. There's a lot of things to cut, a lot of work to do. We're not gonna stop everything waiting for the Aircon. There's a lot of stuff to do. Remember, I have to reinforce the top of the wall there. It's empty behind, so no chance I'm gonna have my ceiling hardly on that piece of hardy flakes that is not bolted on anything. So I can fix all that. A lot of work to do. So in the meantime, if you guys are in the Philippines and you recommend a cheap, good Aircon that you may have already run and you have it no problem, I don't want to go over 20,000. I really can't. So see if you can maybe advise something, I would appreciate. Okay, remember the top here is not very strong, so I'll see if we can find some good timber or metal stud to go in there. I need to measure the gap first. I think I'm lucky, it's a standard size, exactly 1 inch. That's probably the piece they had further down there. I need to move the wardrobe a little bit away from the wall, and then I found this, the cause of all the trouble. Bye bye. I will go here, and then here to go to the other room, and this one will go to the Aircon here in this bedroom. I know I should buy those things, but I always forget. Okay, we got bad news. Our main tank is just about empty. Dirty water come in, so it's empty and I can fill. So after lunch, I'm going to clean this tank and reinstall it the best I can, and hope it's gonna run. Still got the small tank. There's still water there, so it's good. Actually, we're just about finished anyway. Just that I need to put the hardy flex here and mount this. So we can do that in another video, I guess. But first, emergency, it's important. Water is important. So it's better we clean after lunch. Usually end afternoon it's raining, so we may get some more water again. but we need to change our way we bath and things like that. So Bella used to take a bath with this water in that blue container. It's a lot. It's about 50 liter every time, twice a day, 100 liter. It's too much. It's too much. Plus she play with the tap all the time. So we need to change our habit completely. I know Bella won't be happy because she loves her bath, but we can put a little bit of water like this and she can splash herself in there. Yeah, that's okay. Twice a day like this, it's okay. But I empty that bucket all the time to get my shower. It's full. Can't do that. Can't afford. So I gotta change our habit. Anyway, that's the way it is. Just collect as much water as possible. The water doesn't look bad, just for me to bath. Baby and the girl can use the grey tank near the carport. It's full and the water's clean. For me, I don't mind. Ready for another sciatica? I think maybe I don't have to buy another tank today because this one is more than 3/4. I've got 3 big thing full of water. So I just put the tank back on position after I clean it before tonight. I'm sure it ran every afternoon, if not in the night or in the morning. If not, we still can last 2-3 days there, so it should be okay. Yeah, let's have lunch. Hot. I knew I was smelling something nice. Japanese noodle?
Yeah.
Yeah, with mushroom, Japanese mushroom. Okay, Chinese, but we call Japanese. Very nice. This is beautiful. I love this fish. Yeah. Okay, let's eat, guys. Nice, cool white one. Yum. Okay, tank is clean. I'll be positioned maximum this way. So see if we can put the same size on the other side, but I don't know. I haven't measured yet. This is the best I can do this way. Got her back on position. Just need the cover. Let's go and get the cover. And yes, please run. It's awful what's coming, but I hope we get it. It's all up there on that side. Jem just helped me to straighten up the tank onto the concrete slab there, and I connect everything back. I know the part is not quite right because I changed the position like that. You see, I push more to the right and see if we can have room for another 1,500 liter. I don't know about smaller if I could. So, and look at this now. It's raining heaps. Isn't that great? Alright, so we're very lucky. I'm gonna have a good rest. So tired. This almost killed me. I wanted to get it ready before the rain. After that, I'm gonna purge my water system in the pipes. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Be good to people. God bless. Bye bye. Don't forget, thumbs up, comment, please.